Welcome back to Placements Nepal, your ultimate destination for job opportunities in Nepal. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. And now let's dive into today's exciting job opportunity. Today we have an amazing job opening for all you aspiring full stack developers out there. If you are passionate about building robust applications using Node.js, Express and React, then this opportunity is tailor-made for you. So, what you will be doing in this role? Well, as a member of their dynamic team, you will get to develop full stack application using cutting edge technologies. You will be utilizing your skills in Node.js, Express, and React to build scalable APIs and front end libraries. And the best part, you will be contributing to solving real world problems through product development. So, coming to the responsibilities. So, as a developer in this role, you will be working on a variety of tasks, including coding, debugging, and testing. You will collaborate with other team members to build cross platform applications, ensuring seamless user experience. Additionally, you will have the opportunity to learn and apply the best software development practices, honing your skills along the way. So, coming to the requirements. To excel in this role, there are few key requirements. Firstly, they are looking for someone who is constant learner and capable of adapting to new projects and challenges. As an innovator and a problem solver, you will thrive in their fast-paced environment. In terms of technical skills, you should have a solid understanding of Node.js, Express, and React, as well as experience with REST and GraphQL APIs. Knowledge of front-end web development technologies such as HTML, CSS, and JavaScript is also crucial. So, what benefits you will get if you join this job? Then, along with a monthly salary of 7,000, you will have access to the best software development courses from platforms like Udemy. This will help you sharpen your skills and stay up to date with the latest industry trend. Furthermore, based on your performance and availability, there is possibility of transitioning into a full-time role. This opportunity will provide you with the valuable exposure to both back-end and front-end development technologies and best practices. So yeah, this was all about the software engineer internship role by Unisala. So how can you apply to this job? Click on the link that is provided in the description of this video. Then you will come to this interface. Then directly you can click on easy apply, give your information and submit. That's it. Then if you get selected, they will get back to you through your mail ID. And there you have it. An incredible job opportunity for aspiring full stack developers. If this sounds like the perfect fit for you, don't wait any longer. Apply now and take this next step in your career. Remember to like this video and subscribe to Placements Nepal for more exciting job opportunities like this one. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next video.